July 28th. Observed each year on July 28th, World Conservation Day is celebrated internationally to increase awareness about the best practices to protect our natural resources. The earth is supplied a limited amount of properties that we all rely upon each day, like water, air, soil, and trees. World Nature Conservation Day recognizes that a healthy environment is the foundation for a stable and productive society. This day also ensures the well-being of present and future generations. Mahatma Gandhi says, Earth provides enough to satisfy every man's need, but not every man's greed. It is necessary to create a healthy environment to safeguard the present of future generations. There are several threats like deforestation, illegal wildlife trade, pollution, using plastics, chemicals, etc. Earth has provided basic necessity to live like water, air, soil, minerals, trees, animals, food, etc. So, we should keep nature clean and healthy. Industrial development and several other factors are also responsible for the depletion of nature. Whatever we do, it affects on the globe because the world is one and somehow linked together. The history and origin of the World Nature Conservation Day is unknown, but the main aim of celebrating it on 28 July, it comes together and support the nature. Don't exploit it. Conservation of nature is the wise management and utilization of natural resources. As we know, due to the natural imbalance, we are facing several problems like global warming, various diseases, natural disasters, increased temperature, etc. Methods to conserve the environment. It is not mandatory that only government and big companies conserve environment. Everyone can participate and conserve nature, which is a beautiful gift to us. Several ways are there by which we can conserve environment like Number 1. Recycling. Try to buy reusable and biodegradable products as much as possible. Recycle everything if it is possible. Number 2. It is necessary to reduce the consumption of water. Number 3. Reduce the use of electricity. When your work is done with an electric appliance, then turn it off. In this way, energy and money both will be saved. Number 4. Plant trees and make planet green. Number 5. Grow vegetables. In market, vegetables there are available are grown with chemicals and pesticides. So, it is better to plant vegetables and eat organic food. Number 6. To avoid littering, it's better to do composting. Number 7. As we know that batteries are dangerous for our environment, so it is better to use rechargeable batteries. Number 8. Don't smoke. Smoking is injurious to health, and sometimes it is seen that people after smoking don't throw cigarette into the dustbin, but on the ground directly, which is just pure littering. Number 9. To reduce pollution, global warming, maintain cars. Number 10. Aware people about the use of conservation of nature, environment and energy. There are also 3 essential words about conservation of environment, that is reduce, recycle and reuse.